Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find registered domain info for Showit. Alright, your domain name is hosted by your domain registrar, where you purchase the domain from. Common domain registrars are GoDaddy, Hover, Squarespace, and Wix. Okay, your domain registrar is where you would go if you need to make manual domain related changes like updating your DNS records, doing the domain and blog setup processes. With Showit may need information about your domain registrar. Okay, if you already have connected a domain in your website, you can go ahead and click on Edit My Website. Okay, in here, go ahead over to Site Settings, click on Site Settings, and under Custom Domain, you should be able to see it right here. Okay, also under Vanity URL. Now, if you're not sure who your domain registrar is, you can go ahead and go to this link, mxtoolbox.com/DNS lookup.aspx. Okay, hit on enter. Now just go ahead and enter your domain name right here. For example, madeformoney.com. Lookup, wait for it. Maybe let's try again. thelazydaddy.com. Lookup, this one is from Cloudflare. Okay, Aruba, not familiar. Web hosting. Okay, Aruba is a web hosting platform as well, right here. So that's it. That's how you find out. This one right here is from Cloudflare. This one is from Aruba. Okay, that is how you find your registrar domain info for Showit. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.